What is biology? Biology क्या है? The word biology is derived from two Greek words, bio meaning life and logos meaning study. So, so thus biology means the study of science of life and living organisms. What is life? Life is defined. Life is defined as a set of characters that differentiate living things from non-living things, like metabolism, genetics, reproduction, and response of differentiate metabolism. Biology definition: biology is defined as natural science that deals with the study of nature, function, growth, organ involvement, and distribution of organisms. What is organ? Organism definition: an organism is defined as living things that consist of either one cell, example bacteria, of cells, example animal, plant, and fungi, etc. Aspects of biology science range from the study molecular mechanism in cells, classification and behavior of organisms. Biology and other sciences. Biology often overlap with other service, example biophysics, overlapping of biology with physics, biochemistry, interaction with biology in chemistry, stratigraphy, involvement of biology in geography, astrophy, relationship of biology with study. Biology scope. The of the field executive and divide into several specialized disciplines such as anatomy, physiology, ethology, genetics, and many more. The future is biochemistry of bioinformatics. Thanks for watching.